Let's crash them. We're moving. Everybody's moving. Let's count it down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, 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 go. Remember, no hitting on the driver's door. The first pass coming in from Christian Ellis. What's the hit on? There's a great house. Number 3 and 19, Tyson Shelley. Number 3 with Jordan Jackson. They're in it for the $10,000 prize money. They come to the cash, people, and they're serious about it. And Spencer Greathouse yes, it's deep out there. The speeds are going to be a little lower tonight, but they're looking to be hard. And a good long crash coming in from Kobe Peterson and Troy Cow. The 723 Christian Ellis needs to make a qualifying hit. Next time on the ball, Spencer Greathouse. Spencer with 47 seconds. Spencer looking to stick off and stop and frustrate. Really frustrated. Top up with Spencer Greathouse as he takes himself out of the competition.